Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see your card number using the Capital One app. First, open the Capital One app on your phone. Make sure you are connected to the internet. After logging in, you will see your account dashboard. Here, find and tap on your credit card account. This will open the details of that specific card. Now look for an option that says Get Your Virtual Card, or sometimes it may just say Virtual Card. This option is usually located under your balance or within the Account Options menu. Tap on it to continue. At this point, the app may ask you to complete a quick security step. This can include entering a code sent to your phone or email, or confirming your identity in another way. Follow the instructions on the screen to pass this verification. Once you complete the security check, your virtual card details will appear on the screen. You will be able to see your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. These details can be used for online purchases or any situation where you need your card information. Always make sure you are in a private and secure place when viewing this information. Do not share your card details with anyone you do not trust. Thanks for watching.